Okay, a whale. Now, I would obviously start off with kind of a big, oval. We know that their fins and stuff like that, they are more of the mammal species, so their fins are going left to right. They're pushing their water up and down, not side to side like a shark. They're going up and down with it. So you would have their tail side to side. So you'd have a teardrop going this way, a teardrop going that way. And then here, same thing. You would have their back fin or their side fins. And then what I would do with this is I close this down a little bit and then bring that in here. And they have this little, you know, lines that come in here and across. And then you can go ahead and have your little whale. Ta-da! There's a little blowhole. That's a whale of a picture.